You will be obsessed with these.
Dirty B Shampoo and Conditioner Bars.
Changing the way people get clean. So, how do they work? Using a shampoo bar is very simple and doesn't reinvent the wheel. Start by thoroughly wetting your hair in your shampoo bar. You can lather the bar in your hand, or you can lather it in your hair using top to bottom strokes. Apply freely, but a little does go a long way. Gently massage onto your scalp and into your hair and work up a good lather. Rinse, repeat if desired, and always store your bar somewhere where it can dry out completely. For the best results, follow up with our conditioner bars. It's the same process as our shampoo bars, but let conditioner sit in your hair for 2 to 3 minutes for the best results. Rinse out and your bar should be good for 50 uses. Your hair will thank you, and your friends will want to know how you get salon quality hair every day.